Hey guys, quick repair here. Working on, what is it, 2003
Chevy Trailblazer.
Chevy Trailblazer. Power steering is leaking, and here's the problem right here. This is a repair somebody did already because it's a pain in the ass to replace the whole line. So we're going to try to do this exact same thing. I'm going to cut it right here. We're going to put another one of these on, and we're going to, hopefully that'll work. Alright, we're going to clamp this in gently, just to hold it. And I'm going to use this guy and just cut off as little as possible. So I'm going to get rid of the burrs. I have this deburring tool, and that gets the inside, and then I'm just going to use a file to get the outside.
That's gonna come out perfect.
I hope so. Alright, let's clean this up. Alright, we're just going to use the wire wheel. Clean this up. Alright, so let's see if you can see that. It's a little bit pitted from the rust, just a teeny bit, so hopefully it still works. Alright, here's the fitting. Cost $4. So let's see how this. Alright, so the line goes through here, and then this goes on the line, and then you screw this on. Alright, let me hold this in the vise. As I tighten this, it should crush that sleeve. Hopefully seal the line up. I mean, it's on there, so alright, we'll give it a try. Okay, here's the other side in the car. This compression fitting was there from the last person who did it. I don't know if you need to replace this. I don't know if those crushed sleeves are a one-time thing, but I'm going to try it, and if it leaks, I'll just replace it, and if it doesn't, then it's a win. So here we go. There we go, guys. There it is. We're going to put fluid in it, and we're going to see if it works. Alright guys, we turned it on. No leaks. He's going to turn the steering wheel back and forth. And we're going to see if this leaks. Alright, go for it! Looks good. We're bleeding the air out. Keep going, keep doing it. Yeah, because we need to bleed all the air out. Awesome, it worked. Alright guys, that was pretty awesome. $4 repair. Doesn't get better than that. Sorry I didn't show the whole disassembly thing. It was kind of a spur of the moment type job. So at least I got that part in. I thought that part was pretty cool. I think that'll help a lot of people out because so you don't have to replace the entire line. You could just cut it where the leak is and then put the compression fitting on there. So that's going to be it for this video. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.